Two roads diverged in the woods. I'm sorry, I could not travel both. You might have been reminded of Robert Frost and the poem you all did while you were in the school. Yes, The Road Not Taken. An insightful poem by Robert Frost will take you back once again about the careers that you all have selected and the career choices that lay in front of you, and you need to take the right decisions today. So children, this poem was taught to you with a motive. That motive was take the right decision in your life so that you do not have to regret later on. And the ones who are regretting, no need to fear. You still have time, you can still think about your career and move ahead with the beautiful journey that lie ahead in front of you. Have you ever aspired to be the part of healthcare industry? If yes, so let's see what you all can do after selecting medical stream. So let's talk about the medical field, which is one of the best, reputed and respected professional fields in India and abroad. When we talk about medical, an image of an MBBS rises in our mind. It is not so. There are various other courses than MBBS in the medical field in India. But the question is still there. What is the best medical course after 12th in science and after 12th in biology? Are you still waiting for the answer? What should I do after 12th in the medical field? So let's go ahead and see what are the various degree courses offered to you after class 12. So first of all, I'll begin from MBBS. The full form of MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Its duration is 5.5 years. MBBS is the bachelor degree in medical field for cure and diagnosis awarded in many countries. Then comes BDS. It too is a bachelor's degree. It means Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It lasts for 4 years. It's a professional degree program in dentistry. Then comes BHMS, means Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. Its duration is 5.5 years. BHMS is a bachelor degree in homeopathic education in India, which is regulated by the National Institute of Homeopathy. Then comes BAMS. Its full form is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. The duration to complete this course is 5.5 years. It's a bachelor degree in Ayurvedic system of medical field. In India, the Ayurvedic education is regulated by the Central Council of Indian Medicine, that is CCIM. Then comes MD. It's a postgraduate degree, means Doctor of Medicine. Its duration is 3 years. This degree is awarded to the doctors who are physicians. The minimum eligibility for this course is MBBS. Then comes MS. Again, it's a master's degree, means Master of Surgery. Its time duration is also 3 years. This degree is awarded to the doctors who master course in surgery. The minimum eligibility for this course is MBBS. Then comes DM, means Doctorate in Medicine. Its duration is 2 to 3 years. DM is a doctorate degree which is equivalent to the PhD degree awarded by the many universities in USA. Doctors having MD degree are eligible for this course. Then comes B Pharma, that means Bachelor of Pharmacy. Its time duration is 4 years. The candidates must have passed 12th with at least 50% marks with biology, mathematics as one of the compulsory subjects, or D Pharma, that means Diploma in Pharmacy. So this degree involves the knowledge of pharmacy, that is the medicines that you all take when you are ill. Next come BSc Nursing, and boys also take this career. Its duration is 4 years. The candidates must have passed 12th with physics, chemistry and biology with a minimum of 45% marks. The motive of BSc Nursing program is to produce the qualified nurses as a member of the healthcare system. 10th comes BPT, that is physiotherapy. Its time duration is 4.5 years. The candidates must have passed in 12th class or equivalent with a minimum 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology, as physiotherapy helps the temporary disabled people in their rehabilitation. Then comes BOT, that is the occupational therapy. Its time duration is 3 years. The candidates must have passed 12th with physics, chemistry and biology. Some institution may opt for the entrance examination as well, so be prepared. The occupational therapy you would have heard for the first time. What does it mean? It helps the people to enable in their everyday life and treats the emotion and physically challenged people. Next comes BUMS, that is Unani medicine. The time duration is 5.5 years. BUMS degree is equivalent to BAMS, but in Unani medicines. Candidates must have passed 12th with physics, chemistry and biology, and Urdu is compulsory up to 12th standard or equivalent education. Candidates must have attended minimum 17 years of age at the admission. Next is D Pharma, that is related to Ayurvedic Siddha medicine. Time duration is 2 years. It's a medical diploma course in pharmacy of Ayurvedic medicine. Candidates must have passed 12th with physics, chemistry and biology. Next comes BMLT, means Bachelor of Medical Lab Technician. Its duration is 3 years. It's a bachelor degree of medical laboratory technology which contains the entire laboratory practice of the medical system. Candidates must have cleared the +2 exam with PCB, or various institutes are offering the BSc program in medical laboratory technology in India. Last but not the least comes DMLT, that means Diploma of Medical Lab Technician. That's just for a year. So in a medical diploma course of medical laboratory technology contains the laboratory practices of the medical field, and candidate must have cleared the +2 exam with PCB. So you might have heard about all these career options for the medical stream. So select the right career option for yourself and all the best.